vertex will be. Anybody? I want you to think about this without graphing it. Can you tell by looking at that, first of all, which is the H and which is the K? H is here. Oops, sorry. H is here and K is here. Let's.
Does it go left or is it like?
Okay, hold on a second there. Hold on. I want you to be able to do this without graphing it. So you need to be able to look at that, and if I just had x squared, so first of all, is it facing up or down?
Down.
It's going to be facing down. Okay? What does the 2 do?
It goes up.
It's going to move it up 1, 2 units. What does that -4 shift it in which direction?
Left to the
Right.
4.
It's moving it to the right. So it's going
like
to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I can tell. Please graph it now and tell me if we were correct as to where it was going to be. Hold on a second. What? But it's not absolute value, but what is happening here?
Going right instead of left.
Because it's, and what happens when you square a negative number?
That's positive.
Right.
Okay? Okay, so let's see what happens here. Is that graph correct? Do we know where the vertex is?
Yes.
Yes?
Trace.
Okay, so please hit your trace, and you should be able to identify where the vertex is. Do you think that that's handy? If you don't have a graphing calculator and you need to look, remember, you're the age of the graphing calculator, I am not. I should be able to look at an equation and know how it's going to behave. And you are going to learn how to know how it behaves and whether that makes sense. Okay, so what I would do, Eli, to show you that this is going to move over, let's say when x is 3. Okay? When x is 3, let's see what happens. 3 minus 4 is 1. It's going to be what? So I have -1 plus 2 is going to be what?
1.
1. So when x is 3, y is 1. That's how it got shifted over. And it has to do with the number that was in here that when we subtracted and squared it.
If you're squaring a -4, wouldn't it be 60?
Order of operations, I do what's in the parentheses first. 3 minus 4 is 1. -1, sorry. -1 squared is 1. The opposite of a -1 is a -1. Okay? So, let me see.
Because tomorrow's going to be a really hard day, so I'll part homework tomorrow.
No. Let's look at this problem. Okay, here's a word problem, and then I'm going to give you your assignment. And how, hey, you might. Okay. A ticket sales manager on the Algebra on Ice show believes that revenue are.
This is not realistic at all.
I know. I'm sorry. Okay. Will be a function of ticket prices. Will be a function of ticket prices according to this formula. Okay. And the question is, which ticket price results in maximum revenue? So, does it make sense that we're going to have a maximum if my graph is a negative?
Yes.
Because I know that it's going to be facing downward, there will be a maximum. Which ticket prices give the maximum revenue? Can you tell by looking at that equation where the vertex is?
At 3.
Where is my HK, Stephen?
The vertex would be 8.5 would be x, and then 36,125 would be y.
Okay, so I know that the vertex is located at 8.5, So when the ticket price is $8.50, the maximum profit will be $36,125. Okay, so I'm gonna give you your assignment now. Okay,
Oh, look, she wrote it out ahead of time. We can't see it all.
Yeah, can you read that out?
okay, it is on page 326.
Do we have to do the try it?
No, no.
Page 326.
1 through 4, the core, 1 through 4, 7, 9, 11 through 13, and number 20. Oh, they're like fill in the blank questions.
There's only 10 problems.
What?
Passes
Yeah, no.
I don't like 4 hours.
I already did.